Hey there, welcome to my room at the Lido Beach Resort. Come on in. The room I'm staying in is in the Palm Tower, which I can't wait to show you the rest of. But the first thing you need to know, our hotel room keys are a thing of the past. The Lido Beach Resort is doing it by bracelets, and this is what will get you into your room that you can either wear as a fashion item or just hold it in your bag during your stay. So let me show you all the cool things here. When you first enter the suite, you'll find the kitchenette complete with an espresso maker. As you continue into the living room where there's a couch, TV, and closet. Next is the bedroom with plenty of space and another television. You know, one of my favorite things about staying at a beach resort is getting a balcony with a view. So let me show you outside. Isn't this something? Absolutely beautiful. I know it's hard to leave this view, but let's head back inside. So from the bedroom is where you'll get to the spacious bathroom with plenty of counter space and a stand-in shower. And then we're back in the foyer. So now let's go check out the rest of the resort. Back on the ground level, there's plenty of space to relax or play some games, along with the walkways that take you over to the Tiki building, where the rooms are just as spacious and delightful as in the Palm Tower. When staying at the Lido Beach Resort, this is really where you want to be, right on Lido Beach. And if you time your visit right, you can be here during turtle season, which is from May to October. I mean, just look at this white sand beach. But if the pool is more your speed, this is a great place to relax and have a drink from the Tiki bar. Cheers! Now that we're relaxed, let's head up to the restaurant Drift for dinner. Not to be confused with the Drift restaurant in Delray Beach. The menu at this Drift restaurant has an Italian influence to it. So I started with the calamari, then had the pork chop, and I never thought I'd say this, but the pineapple upside down cake is a must. And of course, all of this came with the most beautiful view of the sunset. And before you know it, it's sunrise, and a new day has started at the Lido Beach. So let's head down to the gym, where you can see my bracelet is what gives me access to this very clean and well-equipped gym. After having a great workout, it is time to get ready for our day. So we are going to head to Drift, the restaurant, for breakfast. Back on the 8th floor of the Palm Tower, alongside Drift, is where you'll find all the meeting and banquet rooms that get rented out for weddings, meetings, you name it, they happen here. But we're here for breakfast, so let's get back to Drift. They have a great menu to choose from with plenty of options. I had the Eggs Benedict, which was very good. And then on my next morning, I had the blueberry pancakes, and oh my God, they were even better. My stay at the Lido Beach Resort was highly enjoyable. From the beachy fun designs of the lobby to the pristine rooms and amenities, everything was top notch. I can't wait to come back and see all the changes and new amenities soon to come to the Lido Beach Resort. I hope you enjoyed checking out the Lido Beach Resort with me. For more information, click the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm FunSized.